Hello, my gorgeous viewers. Welcome to Pink Zara, and my name is Pinky. Thank you for being with me here today. I am on a trek with my husband, and we found this amazing pine forest. Just look around you. Look at the beauty around you. Listen to the birds. The waterfall is a stream of water which I have captured for you. But you know what I found? Look at this untouched piece of land. It's maybe, who knows, 400 to 500 years or even 1,000 years old. Who knows? You know what's the best part? In this patch, I didn't find a piece of plastic. It's just the most amazing feeling ever. Look at this. Look at this gold. This is all organic matter, biomass, all the leaves, pine cones, twigs that they've shed over the years, and they become this organic matter. This is pure gold. जो गीली मिट्टी की खुशबू होती है ना, जो बारिश होती है, फर्स्ट रेन, that, look at this. Absolutely, this is gold. इसको कहते हैं सोना. Thank you for being with me, you guys. I wanted you to experience this beautiful experience through my video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Chill, cold, clean water. You can actually even drink it. Wow.